In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Wix website. Whether you're handing it off to a client, a new owner, or a collaborator, transferring ownership can be a smooth and straightforward process, ensuring they have the access and control they need. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to Wix.com. Once you're there, log into your Wix account. This is the hub where you manage all your Wix sites, so if you're already familiar with navigating it, you're off to a great start. Locate the site you wish to transfer by accessing your My Sites dashboard. You should see all the websites you've created or are currently managing listed here, Tibas. Now focus on the website that you're ready to transfer. Look for the Site Actions menu, generally found near the site thumbnail or its name. Click on this menu to reveal various options relating to site management. You'll see a variety of tasks you can carry out, but the one we're interested in right now is labeled Transfer Site. Go ahead and click on that. Next, an input field will appear, prompting you to enter the email address of the person to whom you'd like to transfer the site. It's crucial to ensure that you've got the correct email address because this is the account that will gain ownership over your site. Take a moment to double-check you've entered it correctly. Once you're sure, move on to the next step. At this stage, you'll need to describe the new site owner by choosing from a list of roles or descriptions. This step isn't just a formality. It helps Wix understand the relationship dynamics and potentially update other relevant options or settings. After making an appropriate selection, you'll be prompted to continue. Click on Continue to proceed. During this stage, Wix will do a quick operation check just to confirm a few last details. Things are almost wrapped up. You're nearing the final steps of the transfer. Click Continue once more when prompted. With all the preliminary checks and steps completed, you will now see the option to confirm the transfer. Double-check that all the previous details are correct before doing anything else. Reassure yourself by glancing over the email address and the selected role. If everything looks spot on, you're ready to finalize the process. Go ahead and click on Transfer Ownership. And that's it. You've successfully transferred ownership of your Wix site. The new owner should receive an email or notification about the transfer, and they'll need to accept it on their end. You've ensured that the transition is clear and smooth, and both parties can move forward with ease. Thanks for following along in today's tutorial, and good luck with your future projects.